In this video, you will learn how to upload your first video to your YouTube channel perfectly. To upload your video, go to YouTube, click create and upload. So this is the video title. Copy it and rename with your targeted video and thumbnail. This technique will help to get rank your video. Now drag and drop the video here. Add a short description here. I will take it from my video content. You can also get it from ChatGPT, no problem. Paste here the tags. Upload a thumbnail. You can create a playlist from here. I will keep it no because this channel is not for kids. Also I will keep other settings default. Again add here the tags. And must be select your video language. This is very important. This setting will help understand YouTube algorithm. Select the category of your video. Then click next. Again next. Again next. Then select public and click publish.